G'day everyone, Mark Brennan here with another real estate update for Kalgoorlie Boulder, presented on behalf of John Matthew and Sons. A magnificent October day here down at the Kalgoorlie Boulder Racecourse, my favourite place in Kalgoorlie, and the scene of another amazing race round just finished 2 weeks ago. So we had 7,000 people here for the races on Kalgoorlie Cup Day, which is pretty amazing in a town of 30,000 people. But I digress, you're here to listen to me talk about real estate, aren't you? Aren't you? Okay, hey look, things have been pretty flat actually. The first quarter of this financial year, really flat in sales, not much happening at all. But look, my take on things, we've had some really soft prices and our life, that sort of stuff's been exacerbated a bit by the banks and valuers tending to make life a bit tougher. It's been really hard to get deals across the line when we finally find someone who wants to buy something. So that's been a bit of a challenge, but look, I suppose what that means is there are some wonderful opportunities out there, and as I've often said, the best time to buy is when everyone else is selling. So who knows? October's been more positive. In fact, we've probably done double what we did in the last 2 months. So it's certainly a better start. So I'm hoping that will really continue and carry on. Commercial, continuing to be really busy. Daniel Lavy's having an outstanding time of it in our commercial department. So that's going really well. Property management's been interesting. Our vacancy rate has gone up like from 2% to about 3% from last year to this year. So that's a bit of a change, but 3% is considered a normal market in property management. Gives people reasonable choice and rents aren't going ballistic, etc. So that's not too bad. And I think our vacancy rate, which is usually just under the market trend, might be just blown out a little bit because we've actually created a fourth portfolio. We've got more properties than we had. We've had to put on a couple of extra people to service our client base. So more properties, that probably means there's a few more empty, and that may in fact be a part of that. But we did rent 35% of the properties rented in Kalgoorlie Boulder in the last quarter, so we certainly are working hard on it. Rents up on average by about $10 from this time last year to now. So not much, but it's certainly something, and I think completes that sort of view of mine that, the town is busy. In the papers today, 31 job vacancies at the new prison here. There's so many job opportunities here. We just need people to get to town. The town's busy enough, but we just need people to come. So if you're on the East Coast and you've got someone laying on your lounge, tell them to get to Kalgoorlie. We'll find a job for them. As a landlord, anything with 2 bathrooms is really popular, whether that's 2x2, 3x2 or 4x2. They're what's sought after. So, the market's challenging, but that's life. The town's busy, so I reckon we've got some good times ahead of us. And when I say good, it's not going to be gangbusters, but some pretty good solid real estate practice to come. So that's my take on things. I hope I'm right. You probably hope I'm right too. But look, that's the report for now. Always happy to chat real estate. If you want to call me anytime and chat about your property or our market, I'm available at John Matthew and Sons. Okay, lovely talking. See you soon. Bye.